Hey, what's up? Flatpak here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to announce that Inkdrop version 6, the canary version of version 6, is finally available. So let me show you what's new in version 6. So here is the first canary version, and yeah, the biggest change in version 6 is the migration from the core editor. Yeah, so I've been using Inkdrop has been using CodeMirror to build the Markdown editor, and this is now using version 6. Yeah, so many features have been added. For example, there's floating toolbar instead of fixed toolbar on the top of the editor, so you can access quickly to toggle, bold, italic, strike through, and links, and so on, which is nice because it doesn't depend on your preferred UI layout, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, this is nice. And next is, yeah, as you can see, it's got yeah. So let's put a demo window here. So floating toolbar. So when you select, I'm currently using the Beam key bindings. It is currently in beta, but you can install it by install it manually. I'll mention that later. So when you select the text, the floating toolbar shows up. And you can toggle list or bold, italic, things like that. Yeah, that's the floating toolbar. And the next one is GitHub Alerts syntax support natively. So yeah, so you can insert quotes by inserting this character, greater than character, and yes, so this is a normal quote, multiple lines, yeah. But if you add square bracket and plus, tip, note, caution, warning, boom. So the quote has been changed to switch to the GitHub Alerts. So the colors matches the preview. Exactly, this is the purple. I do so. It supports autocompletion. So you don't have to remember each GitHub Alert type, which is so cool. Yeah, that's one of the features I love. Yes, and the next biggest feature is slash commands. So when you type slash in an empty line, it shows up it lists the available commands, like inserting heading 4, ADX style, block quote, or also alert. Yeah, I guess this is a shortest hand for inserting GitHub Alerts. This is a caution. Yep. And yeah, so this is handy. The code book is also available, and yep, so it supports suggesting available languages. So you can select language like so. So it supports fuzzy matching. Also, you can TypeScript. Yes, TS or TypeScript. Something like that, which is cool. Next one is yeah, this is what I mentioned, and yeah, next one is Emoji autocompletion. This feature is popular in the code editors, so you may have seen in other tools editors like cell, cat, cry, human, man, yeah. Yes, this is new feature. So the autocompletion is also working. Autocompletion also works in code blocks. I mean, so if you define a function like so, you got autocompletion, just like a normal text editor, normal code editor, which is neat. And this is an experimental feature, but you can insert an internal node link very, very quickly by typing open square bracket twice. And you got current node list. I mean, it shows this node list items, and but you can filter it by typing some keywords like how to run first. Yeah. So you don't have to navigate through the notes, notebooks to insert an internal node link. Just type square bracket twice. Yeah, this is cool. And the next one is a very cool feature. It is one of the long-awaited features, which is called command palette. But what I'm going to introduce is not just a command palette, but also it allows you to search notebooks, tags, and table of contents. Yeah, it sounds nice, right? So this feature is called Telescope. That is because I've been using Telescope on NeoVim, which allows you to search anything, and which is so handy. So I love this feature, so I decided to call it Telescope as well on Inkdrop. Yes, so to toggle Telescope search bar, press Command K on macOS and Control K on Linux or Windows. Press K. Boom. So you've got a telescope window, and there is 4 items which indicates available sources. So this one is commands and notebooks, tags, and table of contents. But you don't have to select every time. You just input keywords, something like save. And I did save note or insert image. Yeah. So that you can directly dispatch a command as you like. As you can see, there it also displays shortcut keys currently assigned to each listed commands. So you can quickly check what is the shortcut key for the command. Yeah. So heading 3. Yeah. 2. Yeah, I love it. And you can. And by selecting the source, you can narrow down the scope to only search for notebooks in this case. So there are so many notebooks available, and you wanna open up something like releases notebook, and please look at this bottom part. If you press enter, it just open notebook, and if you press enter by with holding the command key, it open as workspace. So let me show you. So hold command enter, and it opens releases notebook as a workspace. So sidebar shows the statuses and tags used in this releases notebook. So when you just type enter, it opens as a notebook, right? But if you hold enter, it opens as a workspace. This is the difference. Cool, right? So let's create task 1, task 2. Damn. Okay. And so there are navigate table of contents. Yes, so as you can see, it lists, it displays the table of contents and also tasks. So you can quickly jump to the task and toggle the finished task. You can also click them. So it helps you navigate through the sections and a to-do list. I love it. Yeah. So that's the telescope. I hope you love it. Yeah. So I've written how to use, so you don't have to watch this video again and again. Yes. And the telescope is also extensible, so you can create a plugin that extends the telescope to add something, some custom data. And I don't know, but I'm looking forward to seeing what you build. Please note that currently this telescope lists all the defined commands, but some commands require parameters. But there's no way to pass the parameters from the telescope. So if you try to dispatch a command that requires parameters, it may cause error. So these commands will be hidden in the future. Yeah, that's the feature. That's the current feature work. As I talked in the last video, I finally managed to migrate the build pipeline from the custom one to the Electron builder, and that allowed me to support Flatpak and AppImage for Linux distributions. So now you can install Inkdrop by Flatpak and AppImage. So you can just double-click AppImage to run the Inkdrop quickly without installing it. And Flatpak, about Flatpak, so this version 6 is not the official release. So the Flatpak package is not registered to the Flathub yet. So I'm gonna I'm gonna submit it when it's officially available. So please manually download and install it for now. So yeah, so this is a canary build, which means that it is not stable as official releases. And I'm planning to so this version 6 no longer bundles IPM command, which lets you install, uninstall, and publish Inkdrop plugins, but it is no longer bundled. So when you install plugins, the Inkdrop app itself downloads packaging and its dependencies. Yes. So at the moment, you can't publish and manage your plugins with IPM. So I'm planning to publish a separate command on npm later. So you can manage your plugins from the terminal. So please wait for a while. And yes, and you can use both official current version 5. You can use version 5 and version 6 at the same time, because The version 6 user data directory is different. So the user directory is named Inkdrop dash canary instead of just Inkdrop. So it allows you to use both version 5 and 6 at the same time and install the individual plugins for each version. And you can change the configuration for each version. So you don't have to care about changing your configuration. Yeah, so please feel free to try version 6. It doesn't affect version 5. Yes, and as I mentioned, that a Vim plugin is also available for version 6, and it is not merged yet, so you have to clone the v6 branch and link it to the data directory. And please give me feedback because there are still some bugs. And also, because CodeMirror 6 is not compatible with the old CodeMirror version 5, which means that most editor plugins and syntax themes are not working. So if you have your own syntax theme or plugins, you will have to update them. So when I announce the new IPM command, I will give you a migration guide. So stay tuned. Don't worry. I'll publish a concrete guide. So the main change, API change, is the get activator. It now returns CodeMirror's editor view instance. So you can directly control the CodeMirror instance. Yes, so that's it. But more to come. There are so many to come. So this is the to-do list. So I'm gonna update syntax and your themes. So it's currently only available dark and light. Yeah, this is not working, as you can see. It works, oh, really, but I guess it's broken. Yeah, but I haven't started working on it, so I'm gonna migrate these syntax themes to the new version, and I want to support notebook icons, and also I'm planning to some sidebar improvements. Mermaid and the ball math plugins. And I'm planning to add some AI features. And about preview pane improvements, I finally came up with a promising way to implement find in preview feature. So currently, you are only able to search find by keyword in the editor. So something like this, but you can't do that on the preview. Yeah. So when you press Command F, it switches to the editor. So I've been wanting to support find in preview, but I couldn't. I've been struggling to find a way to support it because it is very complicated. So when you wanna support searching TOR bracket NO, this is HTML, so it crosses the elements. This is very complicated, but I found that. So stay tuned. And also I'm planning to support our ARM64 architecture. But it turns out that I have to migrate the backing store from level down to SQLite 3 because level down is very old, obsolete in the PostDB. PostDB hasn't been updated these days, so yeah, I can't expect it to update. So I decided to migrate it from level down to SQLite 3, which is, I think, better because I can drop the level down native module dependencies, which helps support multiple architecture and platforms. And also, I guess it shouldn't affect performance. SQLite 3 is very fast enough. Yes, that's it. So please join the canary testing and please give me your feedback. I'm looking forward to hear your voice. So I'm looking forward to hear what you think. I've been working so hard to make it possible, get it real. Yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. I put a link down below in the comments and description, so you can download this canary version. Yes, please check it out. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching, and have a productive day.